I wanna see the light.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you've been following me on Instagram, I sell head wraps like this. So for today's videos, I'm just gonna show you guys some ways you can style your head wraps. And to get those, just DM me on Instagram in case you follow me. And if you don't, my Instagram is at Twa Nation. So now let's get into the video. For the first style, I'm gonna put my hair. So for this, I'm just gonna do a simple tying the wrap to the back. It's nothing complicated. So here's the first step. For the second style, I'll put my hair in a ponytail or a bun by tucking. Ignore my edges, guys. I didn't do my edges. So for this, I'm just gonna fold this in half, like so. Then I'm gonna wrap this from behind. So here, and gonna make a knot. So for this, you can move it this way, just tuck it in. And here.
On the beat.
So you twist this down and wrap it around itself. After you're done, just tuck it in.
That's cool on the beat.
And here. Style number 4, I'm just gonna have this. This is part of the ones I sell, and this are like my personal ones. I don't have extra of this, but I have this, and I'm gonna show you guys more of the ones I have, but I'm not gonna test them on because they're for sale and not for me to test. So fold this in half. Then I do the same thing I did with this. So I'm making knots. The first knot, but it doesn't end there. So for this, we're gonna make a ball. So what you need to do is grab one hand and grab the other end. So you fold this in half and you fold the other end in half and make it up. Pull. We're not there yet, so. Tuck the bottom one in, and you can tuck this in also, or just make a ripple with it. And for the bow, just do is pull this out, pull the other end. Ta-da! Here.
That's cool on the beat.
For the fifth style, so for the fifth style, it's still the same thing. You start with the knot. Then you go around like so, tuck it in, and go the opposite direction with the other half. And tuck it in. Ta-da! By the way, I did these braids myself. They're knotless triangle braids. If you want to see a tutorial, I'm gonna drop one. So just let me know if you want to see a tutorial. I'm gonna drop one for you guys. And they're mini. Here. Look at that. Let's keep going. For the next one, we're just gonna do a full wrap. A backward wrap. So it doesn't matter if you have braids or not. You can do any of those styles. They look cute with or without braids. I'll twirl this. Make a knot.
S cool on the beat.
Anyways, that's it for this tutorial, guys. If you guys like any of this video, please thumbs up, leave your comment in the comment section, let me know which is your favorite style. And also for the ones I have right now, let me bring them out so you can see. So guys, here are the ones I have, and they're the same length as these ones right here, so don't bother about saying probably it's short or something. They're this long. They're all the same length. Here's another one. So this has blue, pink, orange, red, white, black. They're gonna match with your clothes, so it's very cheap also. And I ship to the United States only. Yeah. Free shipping. Here's another one. Another one. Here's more. And more. So if you don't like the flashy colors, there's some really cool and calm colors you guys can get. There's more beautiful styles and designs. So if you guys want to know more, or you guys want one of this, just DM me on Instagram, and yeah, we'll talk business from there. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. See you in the next video.